Hey guys, Samsung's Galaxy S24 FE promises battery life bliss, a selfie game changer, and performance that doesn't quit. But can it handle the heat? Let's dive into why this AI-powered phone is worth the hype and where it gets a little too toasty. Let's start with its battery life bliss. Finally, a phone that doesn't need a life support system by noon. The battery actually lasts long enough that I can binge watch and scroll doom-scrolling Reddit without panicking. Camera King. Well, Prince. The camera quality is almost too good. The Galaxy S24 FE brings some fun AI tools, like generative image expansion and window reflection removal. The Portrait Studio even lets you turn your selfies into oil paintings or cartoons. It's perfect if you want to feel like an art piece. Running 10 apps at once? The S24 FE is all for it. It's as if Samsung hired a mini marathon runner to power the phone. My old phone would have crashed just thinking about this. If I had $1 for every time someone commented on how crisp the screen is, I'd almost be able to pay off the phone. But when the phone received so much positive expressions from one place to another, others phone owners are a little bit critical about the phone slightly overheats. Yeah, I think it's warm enough to double as a pocket heater in the winter. Perfect for anyone who wants to keep their hands warm. Except for the slightly overheats, there is also about the phone AI shortcomings. Although Samsung advertises this as an AI-centric phone, some of the features feel a bit hidden and limited to Samsung's own apps. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has strong battery life, a gorgeous display, and impressive performance for the price. But it has a few quirks. It can get a bit toasty, AI photo editing might overdo it, and the design is similar to previous models. So if you have or know more about the Galaxy S24 FE, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having a great day.